Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and in the background there you'll see Brooklyn. And today I'm going to be opening up my Nadine West. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription, and what they do is they send you some clothes. It's a little under $10 a month, and you select the ones that you want to keep, send back the rest, and all you do is put it in your mailbox outside. You can call, or you don't even need to call. Go online and schedule a pickup, and it just goes right to your mail. Like, you don't even have to like go to the post office or anything. I love it. Easy peasy. And so they only charge you for what you keep. And yeah, I love it. So let me go ahead and show you the pieces that I got, and then I am going to do a try on. If you are interested in Nadine West, I do have a code, not a code, but a link in my description box. And for what I understand, they are doing a promotion right now where you can get, if you keep your whole box, it's $99, or your whole bag, it's $99 to keep everything. So let me go ahead and show you what I received. I already broke the bundles because I got this Friday and I wanted to see what I got. You know, I just can't wait. I get too excited. All right. So the first thing that I got is this shirt, which looks very pretty. I have not yet tried these on. Very excited about this blouse. And the company is Jones, New York. I've heard of Jones, New York. So no Brooklyn. My dog wants to eat the bag, of course. And by the way, they do give you another Nadine West bag to ship everything back in, so you don't need your own envelope or box or anything like that. They supply everything and the return label. It's all free. Then I received this blouse, which I also really like. I'll give you the prices too at the end. Very pretty. It's got like these little, I guess they call them flutter sleeves, you guys. I don't know the terminology when it comes to clothes, but yeah, looks very pretty. Can't wait to try this on. So, you know, I do plan on getting back to work this year. I pretty much took last year off, and but this year I just want to get back to work. I don't know. So I'm glad to be getting some work clothes. This is a dress. I love, love, love the color, but can't say I'm a huge fan. Brooklyn, no. A huge fan of Brooklyn, no. Brooklyn's my Yorkie, and she's trying to take everything and run with it. But I can't say I'm a huge fan of the dress itself. Now, like I stated earlier, I have not tried any of this stuff on. I did peek, but I have not tried anything on. So, you know, maybe I'm speaking too soon, but I'm not a huge fan of like t-shirt style dresses to begin with. And then they've got this little pocket here, which I kind of wish that if they, I don't know, I think if that pocket wasn't there, it actually would be kind of cute in my opinion. But the name of the brand is New In. So if you hear any crunching or anything, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I do have two bunnies, and I hear one of them is over there eating hay or something. So I can hear him very loud. But yeah, I don't anticipate I'm really gonna like this dress, but I will try it on. So that's something I do is try everything on. And then I got these earrings here. At first glance, I wasn't too sure if I like them, but if they're not too heavy for my ears, I think I will like them. I never really got into the leaf look. You know how everyone was getting like leaves and stuff? I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but it seemed like a lot of jewelry was made with like leaves and stuff, and I wasn't really into that, but I don't know. I think these are really pretty. It's got, you know, That's all I can say is, you know, so I will be putting these on and wearing those with my outfits. Then I received, and Nadine West is notorious for this. They always seem to send a pair of black slacks, no matter what. Like every shipment so far that I've received from Nadine West, I get a pair of black slacks. So these have working pockets in the front, and looks like just a fake zipper here, just something for decoration, it looks like to me. On the back is some working back pockets. This is by Maze. There's the name of the company. And it is my belief that you can find all of these companies online as well. I do not think, and if I'm wrong, I apologize, but I do not think these are all exclusive to Nadine West. I think these companies can all be found, especially Jones, New York. I've heard of Jones, New York, for sure. Okay, and then I received this pair of jeans, which I already peeked. Like I said, they are by Express. I was super excited, and they're a size 2. I don't wear a size 2. And I tried to tell them that I wear a size 4, not a 2. And there is a big difference. There's a big difference from a size 6 to an 8. There's a big difference probably from a size 10 to a 12. I do not fit into a size 2. And I did try these on. This is the only thing I tried on. They do not fit. They do not button. But here are the jeans here. So I am not going to be trying these on because I already did. They are super cute, but unfortunately these do not fit. So I am just going to be sending these right on back to Nadine West. Now Nadine West does send these out to me free for review, and I do not have to send anything back. In fact, they kind of say to keep them or donate them if you don't like them, or if they don't fit. But I like to send everything back. That way Nadine West can resell them. It's just what I like to do. I know some of you may think, well, donate them to a shelter or donate them here and there, but I like to send everything back. Nadine West is a business, and they do rely on business, right? People's money. So if I'm getting these free, I don't think it's fair to me to keep them or give them. I mean, if I had somebody like my daughter that could wear them, for sure I would keep them. But yeah, if there's no one I can give them to, I would rather just send them back and let Nadine West try to resell these items so they can make their profit. That's just the way I feel. So they also have this Christmas in July, and it is not July anymore, so I don't know what they mean. It does say unwrap the savings and keep everything for $99. The code word is July. It's August, so I'm not sure if this was supposed to go out in my last month's bag or not, and I'm not sure if this will go out in your bag if you were to sign up for Nadine West. Yeah, it seems a little late. It says hurry, don't miss out. I don't know. Nadine West often has some sort of sales going on, so you might want, if you use my link and check out Nadine West, I would appreciate it. Check out what they have to offer and all of the, you know, sales that might be going on. But I'm going to go ahead and try these items on for you, except for the jeans. And then we'll come back. I'll give you the prices and my final thoughts. All right, everyone, hold on just a moment. Here's the first outfit. So here is the black floral shirt, little flutter sleeves. I do like this. I think it's very pretty. I think it's going to be great, great, great for work. I love the length. It's perfect. These are the black slacks, and I do like these as well. They fit perfectly fine, and I could probably wear these to work as well. Now they do have that zipper detail here, And as most of you may know, I do not ever wear my shirts tucked in, so no one will probably even see that zipper detail, although I guess I can kind of see the zipper hanging out like right here. I don't know if you guys can see that from way over there, not sure, but I can kind of see the zippers hanging out there, so I'm gonna have to look back at this tape and see if there's some way I can, I don't know, maybe zip the zipper up like this. No, because it keeps wanting to fall down. Every time I zip it up, the zipper just wants to fall down, because again, these are just decoration. So yeah, it's not gonna stay up. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back, and if it's not something that I choose that I'm going to be ever wearing, I will definitely, you know, return these. And here's the earrings. They are kind of big, I think. I'm not sure if these are something that I would wear either. Now, as for the earrings and stuff that I don't particularly care for on Nadine West, I usually do have a giveaway sooner or later and put them in the giveaway, but you know I've had these in my ears. They will be cleaned, so if I do decide to give them away, it will be, you know, they will be cleaned. But yes for the shirt. I'm thinking yes for the pants. They are very extremely comfortable, something I can wear to work, and yeah, so far so good. All right, moving on. Another winner. Love the top. I love the top a lot. I think it's a great length, and I love the design. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and I just have the same black slacks on under it. So yeah, I would definitely wear this to work. So, you know, as a substitute teacher, which is what I am, I don't have to like totally dress up, but you know, in fact, I could probably even wear hoodies to work. But the last time I did that, and I was working, I was walking in the hall with my backpack, because I do bring a backpack with my lunch and my Kindle and my iPad. So I had my backpack on. I was walking away from the hall monitor, and the hall monitor actually stopped me in the hall and said, "Young lady, shouldn't you be in class?" So yeah, I like to maybe dress kind of like a teacher, you know, instead of just a hoodie. So that's, you know, that was just a funny story. Yeah, ha 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 ha. It's because I'm only 4'11", that's why. But anyway, let me go ahead and move on to the dress. So as expected, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. It's pretty shapeless. You know, probably will need a belt or whatever, which is fine. A lot of the dresses that Nadine West does send are pretty much like straight to where you probably should like invest in some sort of a belt, you know, for your dresses. But I don't like the pocket. Not much for, I don't know, I'm not much for the sleeves. I don't like the way this fits in through here. Feels kind of tight up in the neckline. So yeah, this is the dress anyway. Let me go ahead and turn around. So there it is. All right. So again, the express jeans do not fit. So let me go ahead and put on my other clothes, and we will go and I'll tell you my final thoughts. Okay, so I found my reading glasses. So let's go ahead and get started. So this top, I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and obviously keep this one. It is $19.99 by Jones, New York. Like I said, it's called the Furlin Open Neck Printed Knit Top. So if you were to sign up for Nadine West and you liked this top, you could actually request this top. I can't guarantee that they will give it to you. If they have your size, they probably will. But so it is, again, $19.99. Really like it. Let's move on to the earrings. These are called Sakura earrings. They are only $9.99. Pretty good. The brand is Bow BK Jewelry. Now, for me, I think I'm going to look back at the video and see what I think, but they may be a little heavy for my ears. I mean, they're not too heavy, but I don't know. Maybe, I'm not sure. I got to look back at the video and see if I want to keep them or not. Okay, so let's move on to the jeans. These are Express jeans. I don't know if I mentioned that. I think I did, but they are the Express Lorena pants for $49.99. And for Express jeans, it's probably the average price going for the Express jeans. Now, the black slacks by May's Collection. And since I took them off, I didn't, put them in the right side in. They're inside out. Yeah. All right. Sorry about that. But for these pants here, they are called, let's see, the black pants, they are called Angelique Elastic Tight Scuba Pants. And they are $21.99. You guys, these prices are amazing, I have to say. Now for this top, which I also love, and I'm really glad I have for work. I love it so much, and that is called the Rima top, and it is by J. Michelle of California, and it's $24.99. And then the dress, which I am not a fan of. I have to be honest, not a fan of the dress. This is a Joni ruffled sleeve dress. The brand is called Very J, and it is $33.99. So pieces that I am keeping. The two tops for sure, probably the earrings, and the black pants. The things that are going back would be the Express jeans, darn it, and the blue dress. All right, so what is that? 3 out of 5, right? 1, 2, 3, well, 4 out of 6. I don't know where my brain is. So if I keep these, it'd be 4 out of 6. All right, everybody. So that is my Nadine West haul. And yeah, let me know what you think. And again, if you want to join Nadine West, go ahead and please use my link. It would help me a lot. Do I get money for that? I'm not sure, but it lets Nadine West know that people are watching my videos. And yeah, go ahead and try it. It's only $10 a month, a little less in fact, and see what you think. All right, everyone, excuse that mess in the background, please. All right, I'll talk to you later, and everyone have a great day. Bye.